Hello, good afternoon, my dear friend and respected teacher. Today I am going to talk about our English classroom. As I stand here in our English classroom, I can't help but feel grateful for this space. This is where we come together to learn and explore the intricacies of the English language. Our classroom is more than just a physical space. It is a place where we can share our ideas, our perspectives, and our creativity. In this classroom, we have laughed, debated, and discovered. We have delved into literature, grammar, and writing techniques, and we have improved our language skills. Our teacher has guided us with patience and dedication, and we have all grown in our understanding of the English language. I believe that our English classroom is more than just a room with desks and chairs. It is a place where we feel challenged and supported, and where we can express ourselves without fear of judgment, and where we can celebrate our successes. So let us continue to make the most of this space and keep learning and growing together. Thank you.